Alfalfa sprouts, those delicate, crunchy additions to salads and sandwiches, are actually much more than meets the eye. Known scientifically as these little greens pack a powerful nutritional punch, harboring a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds that can boost our health in remarkable ways. Don't let their small size fool you. Alfalfa sprouts have been prized for their health-promoting properties for centuries, dating back to ancient Persia, where they were revered as a highly nutritious food source. Today we're rediscovering the incredible benefits of this humble sprout, incorporating its unique flavor and texture into a variety of dishes. Have you ever taken a bite of a fresh alfalfa sprout? That satisfying crunch, followed by a burst of slightly nutty, subtly sweet flavor, is an experience that can liven up any meal. These tiny greens are like nature's little flavor explosions, adding a delightful textural element to everything from salads and wraps to stir-fries and smoothies. But their appeal goes far beyond just their taste and texture. Alfalfa sprouts are nutritional powerhouses, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to overall well-being. They're a good source of vitamins K, C, and A, as well as folate, iron, and magnesium nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. Alfalfa sprouts typically showcase a vibrant green color with delicate white stems and tiny leaves. This verdant hue is a clear indicator of their chlorophyll content, a natural compound known for its potential detoxifying properties. While green is the most common color, you might also come across alfalfa sprouts with a slightly yellowish tinge. This variation in color is perfectly normal and doesn't necessarily indicate a difference in taste or quality. In fact, it simply reflects the natural variation that can occur in plant pigmentation. Whether you prefer the vibrant green or the slightly yellowish hue, rest assured that you're enjoying a nutrient-rich sprout that can enhance your culinary creations. Here's a surprising fact about alfalfa sprouts. Did you know that they're technically legumes? That's right. These tiny greens belong to the same plant family as beans, lentils, and peas. But unlike their mature counterparts, alfalfa sprouts are harvested and enjoyed within days of germination, when their nutrient content is at its peak. This early harvesting process allows us to reap the full benefits of their concentrated nutrients, including enzymes that aid in digestion and antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage. So, next time you enjoy a handful of alfalfa sprouts, remember that you're savoring the power of a legume in its most potent form. From ancient fields to your plate, alfalfa's roots. This humble plant has a story that spans millennia, connecting us to the agricultural practices of our ancestors. Alfalfa, the plant from which these nutritious sprouts originate, boasts a rich history dating back thousands of years. It was one of the first cultivated crops, revered for its versatility and nutritional benefits. Native to the Middle East, alfalfa was initially cultivated as a high-quality forage crop for livestock due to its impressive nutritional profile and ability to thrive in various climates. Farmers quickly recognized its value, and it became a staple in agricultural practices. Its deep root system, which can extend several meters into the ground, allows it to access water and nutrients in ways that other plants cannot. This unique characteristic not only makes alfalfa resilient, but also enriches the soil, promoting sustainable farming. This resilience and adaptability made alfalfa a valuable asset for farmers throughout history. And its reputation as a nutritional powerhouse eventually extended to human consumption in the form of sprouts. Alfalfa's journey from a livestock feed to a health food staple is a testament to its enduring value. Today, alfalfa sprouts are enjoyed worldwide, adding a touch of freshness and a boost of nutrition to countless dishes. Whether sprinkled on a salad, blended into a smoothie, or used as a garnish, these tiny sprouts pack a powerful punch of vitamins and minerals, continuing alfalfa's legacy of nourishment. Growing green. Alfalfa in your kitchen. Imagine having a fresh, nutritious addition to your meals grown right on your kitchen counter. Alfalfa sprouts are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. One of the most remarkable things about alfalfa sprouts is how easy they are to grow at home. You don't need a garden or any special equipment, just a few simple items you probably already have in your kitchen. With just a jar, some water, and a bit of patience, you can have a constant supply of these crunchy greens right at your fingertips. The process is simple and doesn't require much time or effort. Simply rinse a tablespoon of alfalfa seeds, then soak them in a jar covered with water for 8 to 12 hours. This initial soaking period is crucial as it kickstarts the germination process. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the seeds twice daily. This helps to keep the seeds moist and clean, preventing mold and ensuring healthy growth. Place the jar in a well-lit area, but out of direct sunlight. Indirect light is perfect for the sprouts to grow strong and healthy without getting scorched. Within 3 to 5 days, you'll have a jar full of fresh, delicious alfalfa sprouts ready to enjoy. The sprouts will be crisp and green, adding a delightful crunch to your meals. Growing your own sprouts is a rewarding and economical way to incorporate more fresh, living foods into your diet. Not only do they taste great, but they also provide a sense of accomplishment and a connection to your food. So why not give it a try and start sprouting today? Spotting the signs when sprouts turn sour. While alfalfa sprouts are generally safe to eat, it's important to handle and store them properly to prevent spoilage. Fresh sprouts should have a crisp texture, a pleasant, slightly nutty aroma, and a vibrant green color. Avoid sprouts that have a slimy texture, a sour smell, or discoloration, as these are signs of spoilage. To ensure freshness, store your sprouts in the refrigerator, ideally in a container lined with a damp paper towel. This will help maintain their moisture and crispness. When stored properly, alfalfa sprouts can last for up to a week, providing you with a continuous supply of nutritious goodness. Tiny sprouts, mighty benefits. Alfalfa for health. These little green wonders have been cultivated for centuries, known for their impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Don't let their small size fool you. Alfalfa sprouts are packed with a wide range of nutrients that can benefit our health in numerous ways. From vitamins to minerals, these sprouts are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They're an excellent source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Including alfalfa sprouts in your diet can help maintain strong bones and proper blood function. Their vitamin C content supports a healthy immune system and collagen production, which is vital for skin elasticity and wound healing. Adding alfalfa sprouts to your meals can give your immune system a natural boost, while vitamin A contributes to good vision and skin health. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight and a radiant complexion. Alfalfa sprouts are also a good source of folate, crucial for cell division and growth, especially during pregnancy. Folate is essential for the development of the fetal nervous system and can help prevent birth defects. Their iron content helps transport oxygen throughout the body, ensuring that your muscles and organs receive the oxygen they need to function properly. This can enhance your energy levels and overall vitality. While magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood sugar control, including alfalfa sprouts in your diet can support muscle relaxation, reduce cramps, and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. These tiny sprouts are a testament to the fact that big nutrition can come in small packages. Incorporating alfalfa sprouts into your daily meals can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being.